My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Still on Phyna gbas with Multichoice, her PA wey be say dey call Ollie don come out come issue serious warning to Phyna and the Phyna, and also Multichoice don come out to come respond to Phyna claims against them. And lastly, Bella too don come out come react over this same issue. So I go first of all start with Multichoice because na dem be the architect of the issue wey dey on ground. So Multichoice come out to come issue a statement regarding Phyna claim against them. So Multichoice come say, "Dear Phyna Otabo, hope this letter finds you well. We write to give an update on your concerns regarding prices from some of the sponsors of Big Brother Naija Season 7 Level Up. We had extended an opportunity for you to have a face-to-face meeting with the sponsors, but that didn't come to fruition. However, from the sponsors we've been able to reach, we've received the following feedback." I remember say few hours ago Phyna come and dey claim to say Multichoice dey call her, say she no want make dem call her. She come dey tag one particular person wey be Mike Premium, say make Multichoice call Mike Premium because after all she have been trying to reach them for ages, dem no gree answer her, so she no wan lis ten to them. So na make Multichoice dey talk now to say dem don try to get a one-on-one conversation with her, but she no gree. So dem come continue, dem come say Evans Industry na dem na get unique soup. Dem come say on 7 December 2023, Evans Industries delivered 1 year supply of unique soap to your residence, confirmed by Oli. Confirmation screenshot attached. Oli na Phyna PA, and she come out publicly to come confirm to say yes, we collect soap from unique soap. They come enter number 2, Pepsi. Come say between 22nd March and 24th March, 30 cases of Pepsi 1 year of supply were delivered to your address in Royal Pine Estate, A4 Marvin Court, Orchid Road. See attached confirmation. No even suppose even clear this her address wey dem put for here. Make we continue. Come say over and above the prize win, and all expense paid trip to Cape Town, South Africa, including a sum of $1,000 was given to you for personal spending. Phyna really go the South Africa, Cape Town. Na Pepsi na carry her go there, and they confirm to say they still give her the $1,000. So, and Pepsi they also claim to say they give her 1 year supply of the Pepsi. Maybe her people don't drink and finish. Number 3, travel better. Come say following the UAE ban on visa issuance to Nigerians, discussions were held with you on an alternative travel destination. Una remember to say that period they to say Dubai restrict Nigerians from coming to their country, all those type of thing. Now make the travel better because they say okay, maybe we'll change route, maybe we carry you go Maldives instead of Dubai. She can't say they can't continue because Maldives was agreed on and a ticket was issued. See attachment. We've been made aware that this has not been redeemed and are willing to offer an alternative, a ticket for 2 to your preferred destination. Phyna come out claim to say Multichoice travel better tell am to say dem no fit carry 2 people go again, say na 1 person. Now they don change their mouth say they go carry 2 people go, as she don come out call them out publicly. So they come continue come say as organizers we paid you the complete cash of 50 million, which also covers Flutter Wave and Pocket prizes as headline and associate sponsors. In addition to this, in good faith, we are willing to give you a repeat 1 year supply of both unique and Pepsi products. We look forward to a response at your earliest convenience so that we can resolve this. We wish you well in all your endeavors and embrace all opportunities to intervene where you have challenges with your sponsors. When they don't say we wish you well, mean to say after this one, they're not going to get anything to do with her again for life. As they issue that statement finish, Phyna come and come say now it's to impose what didn't happen. Pepsi never sent anything. Travel better is ready to reschedule. The person that received from unique said they delivered in 12. They said 7th. Please, who is lying? Because I know, because I kuku no see soap. Lastly, why are you not talking about Quidax? Go to her PA because Phyna dey talk say the PA dey claim say na 12. The unique soap dey claim say na 12. The person wey they deliver am to her PA dey say na on the 7th. So Oli come respond to this Phyna tweet. Oli come say a unique soap kindly publish exact date it was delivered, time and what address so everyone can see. Sell what? As in people dey tell Oli say she sell the soap now. So she come dey say sell what? Honestly, the mentality of a pauper, even after trillions, will never change. I feel na be the pauper wey dey try to talk about. So you come say you receive the soap, stop cloud chasing. So Phyna now na cloud chaser to Oli. Oli come screenshot the conversation. She come see am say na on the 12th. Oh, she say 12th, oh, not 7th. If you receive it, you must have been in Lagos on the 12th. So Oli come still show where she circle for here, see talk say na on the date and the time na she put for there. If you check am for there, where she receive the unique soap. Oli come still come say which address was it delivered to? PS address? You all should better rest because I'm not going to have it this time. And I remember say before Phyna and Oli quarrel, Fination dey claim talk say Oli dey thief Phyna things, she dey pack up Phyna things, dey go her this thing. Now Oli dey claim talk say she no do any of that. Say and if Fination continue to dey talk all those things about her, say this time around she will not have it. So with everything wey be say dey go on, people don dey call out Bella since say she no wan talk for the matter, all those type of things. So she come put this three emoji wey use hand cover for face, which means also she don tire for everybody. So as she drop that emoji, her fans come dey beg am, say Bella please oh, no put your mouth for this thing oh, abeg oh, whatever it is waka pass oh, stay out of it. And so dem dey beg her. My own concern now for dis Phyna gbasgbos with Multichoice na the fact say now Multichoice no dey talk about the one BTC again, because Phyna gangan don divert the whole attention to soap and Pepsi instead of concentrating on the one BTC. Na that one BTC she suppose even to dey mention over and over and over, because everybody, if you go online, na unique soap, unique soap. Wetin be unique soap compared to one BTC? In as much as they suppose give her everything, and now the people wey be say dey owe her talk say they don give out, she suppose go about go ask her own people say why una dey collect things from my storeroom without telling me. These people go bring something, una go kolobi and una no go tell me. Only need to explain certain things, but since we are not in a good time again, I'm not sure if Phyna go get the mind to call out Oli. As for that one BTC, the way I dey see am, I think that one BTC don enter voice me. I remember when the show finish that time, una know say the last day of the show, when they do that prize presentation, they go come dey give speech. Multichoice go come dey give speech, they talk about how much they make for the show. And that the Phyna level up season that time, they talk say they make, was it not 7 billion? I mean 9 billion, one of the two. Can't remember the exact figure, but I know say it wasn't less than 7 billion. A show that made 7 billion, you are owing somebody soap, Pepsi product, and what is it called? What be that other one wey be say they say that they owe one BTC? I no understand. Is it that these people they just they carry anybody wey be say come and say they won't be sponsor, even if the person a criminal, even the person a thief? Is it that they don't do background checkup on those people? Now Quidax don't remove her and say they not get money, they not do anything. Stop making promises you cannot keep. If you know say you no fit keep those promises, stop making them. They go need to find a way to take bring out the one BTC, because as the thing they go, so you know if you just come out after una don sign contract, you come to say no, you no go fit work like that again. If Creeders no go bring am, Multichoice go cough the money come out. Una take care, una bye.